Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today, I'm troubleshooting a hair dryer that is completely dead. The owner said it just stopped working, and when I plug it in and flip the switch, there's no response at all. After disassembling it and testing the connections, I discovered the blue neutral wire has a break in it. In this video, I'll show you how to trace the exact break point which was hidden right behind the power plug and how to properly reconnect it to save the customer from buying a new cord or a new dryer. Let's get it fixed.